Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a website link on your Pinterest profile. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Next, select the three-dot menu. Now, tap on the settings button. After that, tap on the public profile. Here, you will see a website section. Tap on it and then enter the website you want to add. Once you're done, tap on the done button. And that's it. This is how you can add a website on your Pinterest profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.